Come and see some amazing strength here. The Rolling Thunder right here. Good lift, very clean, very strong. Good job, Ricardo. Alexei Sokolov up next. Alexei. Same weight, 160. Good lift. Derek Devon up next for the same weight. Weighing in at 313 pounds. Derek Devon worked hard yesterday. Very strong lifters here. That's 160 pounds plus right there, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, John Matchnick. John Matchnick. Same weight. Good lift, strong. Robert Vengbe up next. Robert Vengbe weighing in at 300 pounds, attempting the 160-pound Rolling Thunder lift. Very nice. Martin Lekis up next, ladies and gentlemen. The winner of the strongman competition yesterday here, the first place winner, gaining his pro card as well. Out of respect for the legend, we must put on the right shirt. Next person, ode the legend, Haugen. We're opening. Ode needs more, but he's going to do it just for fun. It's simple, easy. One rep only, sir. One rep. Here's a warm-up. Arpa up next. Arpa. Damidian. Arpa weighing in at 360 pounds. One of the lightest guys here. Yeah. Strong boy. Waiting on the last one, Martins. The next weight will be all right. Last lifter will be Martins. Then we move the weight up to 171 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you can pass or take it. It's up to you. We'll take it. Good lift. All right, moving the weight up now, ladies and gentlemen, to the last man standing. 171 pounds. Adding 5 more kilos. 5 more kilos, please. You want to do this? You'll do it, okay? 171 pounds. Beautiful. Alexei Sokolov. Alexei up next. Good lift. All right, Derek Devon coming in at 171 pounds to lift this. 171 pounds. One-handed deadlift with this spinning axle. Rolling Thunder, as they call it. Good lift. John Matchnick up next. Same weight, 171 pounds. Robert Vengbe up next. This is a lot harder than it looks, folks. That is a very thick handle there. It has a rotating handle on top of it. Here's Robert. Good lift. Next up, Martins Lekis. First place winner from yesterday's strongman event. Good lift. All right, Ode. Is Ode's gonna do it just for fun. Ode Haugen, the legend here, folks. Beautiful strength. Arpa. Damidian. That's an Armenian name. Come on, Arpa. Arpa, come on, Arpa. Nice lift. All right, we're moving the weight up. Another 5 kilos. Going to 182 now. 182 pounds. Getting a little heavier. A little harder to grip, folks. This very thick axle. The handle, very thick. almost 3 inches. And it rotates with ball bearings in there, very freely spinning, very difficult. Ricardo up first, Ricardo. Does not? Feels like it. Feels like it. Good lift, 182 pounds. Up, Alexei Tykalov. Alexei attempting the 182-pound single hand deadlift. Rolling Thunder. Beautiful. Derek Devon attempting a 182-pound deadlift. Beautiful. John Matchnick up next. Same weight, 182 pounds, Rolling Thunder lift. Good lift. Robert Vengbay up next. Again, 182 pounds here on the bar, folks. Almost had it. Gonna wait for the official to drop, put it down, in control. There we go. Beautiful. Good job, Robert. Martins, like is up next. Weighing in at 277 today, 277 pounds. Very strong. Ode, are you gonna go for this one? Yes, he is. The legend is here. Ode Haugen right here, folks. The legend. Very simple for this. All right, Arpa. Demedian. Here he is, Arpa. 182 pounds with a single hand. Thick bar handle that rotates on the axis, has an actual rotating axis. Here we go. Gotta wait for the official. Gotta be a clean lift. There'll be a dead stop at the top. Come on, Arpa. So it's time. Come on, folks. Let's get a little noise. Come on. Come on, give us some encouragement. Arpa, you can do it. You had it up there. Let's do it. Come on now, Mike. We got it. We got this. Come on, let's give it up for him. Come on, Arpa. Come on. Let's hear it. Arpa. Thank you, Arpa. Give a nice hand, Arpa. All right, raising the weight. Another 5 kilos. 193, ladies and gentlemen. Almost 200 pounds with one hand, with a thick axis, thick handle. And rotating. The handle rotates very freely, very difficult to hold on to. First up, Ricardo Magni. 193-pound attempt. Nice strong lift. Very good, Ricardo. Alexei Tykalov. Here's Alexei. He's a power gripper, this gentleman. Very strong. Very good. Derek Devon up next. 193 pounds, single-handed lift, Rolling Thunder. Very nice. John Matchnick up next. 193 pounds. Rolling Thunder. Here it is. Big grip here, folks. Very thick bar, thick axle. Very good. Robert Vengbay up next. Robert Vengbay weighing in at 300 pounds, going for 193 pounds, single-handed lift here. Beautiful. Good job. Next up, Martins Laikis, our champion from yesterday's competition. Very strong, very good. Ode Haugen up next. 193 pounds for Ode, the legend. Here he is. Very strong. All right, raising the weight. Another 5 kilos. Be up at 200. 204 pounds. 204 pounds, single-handed lift, folks, with a very thick axle handle, if you will, that rotates in your hands. Very, very challenging. That's why they call this the Rolling Thunder. 204 pounds. Check it out, folks. Get a close-up look at some of this amazing strength here today at the Haugen Strength Classic, the All-American Strongman. This is a vice grip Viking competition. All right, Ricardo Magni up next. Well, gotta wait for the whole clean. Come on, folks, make some noise for him. Come on. Come on, Ricardo. Give a nice hand for your nice try. Thank you, Ricardo. Alexei up next. Alexei Pykolov. 204 pounds, single-handed lift here, Rolling Thunder, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of weight for one hand, a thick axle, and a rotating handle. Very strong, thank you, Alexei. Up next, Derek Devon, ladies and gentlemen. Competed all day yesterday in the strongman competition, and he's here today again. Very strong, good lift, Derek. John Matchnick up next, ladies and gentlemen. Again, a 204-pound weight right here, single-handed lift with a thick axle handle with a rotate handle as well. Almost there. Wait for the official. Let's hear it for him, folks. A lot of weight. 204 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. 204 pounds right here. And he got it right there. Give it to him. That's the way to do it. Robert Zingbe up next. Again, the 204-pound attempt. Rolling Thunder. They call it Rolling Thunder because the handle rolls, folks. It's a very swivelly handle. A lot of action. Here we go. Come on, folks. Give him some noise here. Come on, Robert. Pull it. Dig it up. Keep going. Come on, Robert. Let's hear it. One more time. Come on, Robert. Give it a pull. Pull that baby. Yes. Give him a nice hand, folks. It's not easy. Martins is up next, going right at it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, good job. I do it at home when I practice it at home. All right, now, the legend, folks. Old Haugen right here. The man that brings you this whole competition. Here we go. Very strong, beautiful, 204 pounds. Moving the weight up now. Another 5 kilos. Another 11 pounds. Oh, a nice round 215 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. First up is Alexei Pykolov. He's passing. He's going to go on to the next one. Derek Devon up next. Derek Devon is taking the weight, 215 pounds. All right, folks, there's a lot of weight here. One hand, big axle. Here we go. Come on, folks, get some noise here. It's working for you now. He's working. He's digging it out. He's digging. He's got this. He's got this right here. He's got it. He got it. Beautiful. Give a nice hand. Good, strong attempt. All right, John Matchnick is up next. 215 pounds, ladies and gentlemen, with a single hand, thick axle, and rotating handle, hence the name Rolling Thunder. All right, John, let's hear it for him, folks. A lot of weight. Let's get it going. He can do it. He's got this. He's got this. Dig it out. Dig it up. Dig. Pull it up. Yes, sir. Give a nice hand, folks. Great attempt. A lot of weight. Martins up next. 215 pounds. Strong lift. Very good. Ode is passing, going on to the next one. Moving up another 5 kilos. Now we're at 226 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. 226 pounds with a single hand lift. 226 pounds. First up, Alexei. He's going to pass. Go on. Derek Devon up next. The athletes are able to pass to wait for the next weight if they feel they need to do that. That's their advantage. That's their technique. If they feel they want to save their strength for the next pass, they go on to the next weight. All right, Derek Devon, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for him. A lot of weight here. 226 pounds, single-handed lift right here, folks. Derek Devon! Come on, folks, a lot of weight. Let's hear it for him. Come on. A lot of weight. Let's hear it. Make some noise, Derek. Come on, let's hear it. Let's pull it up, Derek. Yes, sir. All right, try it again. A lot of weight, ladies and gentlemen. Heavy weight. Let's hear it. One more time. Come on, Derek. Let's pull it up. Pull it. Give a nice hand. Great attempt. This is much harder than it looks. Martins up next. There you go. Martins is up. 226 pounds, single-handed lift here. Viking. Here it is. Viking grip. Here we go. Big grip. Rolling Thunder. Beautiful job, Martins. Ode is coming in now. Ode Haugen right here, the legend, and grip. He is known as the Vice Grip Viking, ladies and gentlemen, and you'll see why. There it is, 226 pounds, 65 years young, right there, the legend. Moving up another 5 kilos, 237 pounds. Come and check it out, folks. Amazing feats of strength right here before your very eyes. 237 pounds for the Rolling Thunder event right here. 237 pounds. First up, Alexei Cyclov. Here's Alexei, ladies and gentlemen. He is a master grip champion. Here we are. 237 pounds, single-handed. Unbelievable, folks. Beautiful. All right, next up is Martins, our winner from yesterday's strongman competition. First place winner. Also gained his pro card and heading to the Arnold Classic. All right, Martins, here we are, 237 pounds. Let's hear it for him, folks. It's a lot of weight. A lot of weight, 237 single-handed. Give a nice hand, folks. He worked all day yesterday, very hard. All right, now the legend. 2 men left. The legend, Ode Haugen, 65 years young. Show you how to do it right here. 237 pounds. The Rolling Thunder. A lot of weight, folks. A lot of weight, but he's also known as the Viking, Vice Grip Viking. Look at that, unbelievable. Ode Haugen, the legend. All right, going up another 5 kilos. 248 pounds. That's a lot of weight, one-handed, folks. 248 pounds. All right, down to 2 people. Alexei Cyclov. He's going to pass, go on to the next weight, saving his energy. Ode is going to pass. We're going to add another 5 kilos, another 11 pounds. 259 pounds, ladies and gentlemen, with a single hand, with an almost 3-inch axle handle that rotates, hence the name Rolling Thunder right here. 259 pounds. You will not see the strength in this building like you're going to see here today. Come and check it out. Get a ringside seat. 259 pounds. All right. First up, Alexei Cyclov. All right, folks, this is a lot of weight. Almost 260. 259 pounds right here. Checking the weight. Checking the weight, make sure it's right. It's heavy enough, we don't need to add extra weight. We have to convert kilos to pounds. We're getting it checked. 5 more? I have to add 5 more kilos, folks. Now we're up to 259. 259. How many kilos?
118 килограмм.
259.6 pounds, folks. Just shy of 260 pounds right here. One-handed lift. Alexei Tagalov. Good lift. Give a nice hand, folks. Almost 260 pounds. All right. Next up, Haugen, the legend. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, the legend, Haugen right here. 65 years young. He's going to pull some weight right here, ladies and gentlemen. 259.6 pounds. Let's do it. Haugen, let's hear it for him. Come on. The legend. Come on. Come on, he's got this. He is the script Viking. Here it is. One more time. Let's try it one more time. Come on, folks. It's a lot of weight. 260 pounds right here. Let's pump it up. Come on. Raise the roof. Yes, he's got this. He's got it. Come on. Haugen. Try one more time. Left hand. Haugen. Give a nice hand, folks. All right, the winner, the last man standing is Alexei. You're welcome to try it if you like. You want to try it? No? He's going to save his energy. And the winner by last man standing, Alexei Tagalov. All right, now for some Mas Wrestling. We're going to jump onto the Mas Wrestling stage right here, ladies and gentlemen. Check out the Mas Wrestling stage coming up in about 2 minutes. Mas Wrestling, and then we'll be back for the double overhand axle lift right here, deadlift.